I was extremely Viswas OCD person, but Alhamdulillah, it's 1 month. I'm cured. The only thing is remaining when I pass stool, so the passage, and I use a lot of water to clean it. But many of the time, I found smell after some time within that area. And due to OCD, I check that often, and when I find the smell, then I couldn't help it, and then I think it maybe something came out, and my prayer is not valid. So then I go and repeat again. So can you please define the ruling, please?
First of all, the nature of the area around the anus, the back passage, is by default stinky, no matter how much you clean it. So even if you pass stool, if you defecate, it takes 30 seconds, 1 minute to clean yourself with water, and it purifies the area beautifully. Even if you wash it with soap, which is not at all advisable, but even if you do so, and you pull up your pants, and half an hour later, you touch the area and smell it, it stinks. Not that any stool came out or any discharge came out from your back passage. Rather, it is the area's nature. And no one in his right mind goes on every 5-10 minutes smelling his finger. Come on, what kind of a life is this? A'udhu billah. This is insane. Nowhere in the Quran or in the Sunnah you're commanded to do such a thing. And shaitan is clapping all the way. Good work. Keep up the good work. Because he knows where this is going to lead. And it's going to destroy everything you built. And he will make you relapse in all types of OCD. So stop this nonsense. Avoid smelling things like this, or your underwear. You're not a dog. Only dogs go around, smell these things, and you will be fine, inshallah.